What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 13 and today's topic is pattern comprehension. In last topic we have already discussed on what is list comprehension, and today's topic will be pattern comprehension. Again this is going to be very important topic, so you need to understand the concept behind this pattern comprehension and why this is important. So let me quickly go to the next slide. So pattern comprehension is a syntactic construct available in Cypher for creating list based on the matching pattern. So list comprehension was that how to create a list from available or existing list, and here is a slightly different definition. Here actually it means like how to creating a list based on the matching pattern. So here we are creating a list from the patterns. So pattern means like node plus relationship. Okay, so this is going to be pattern. So a pattern comprehension will match a specific pattern just like a normal match clause, with predicates just like a normal where clause, but yield a custom projection as specified. It's simple. Like in list comprehension we have the list comprehension part, then where clause, then expression. Here also the same thing, the pattern, then where, then the expression. So we can eliminate the where and the other part as well. So let's see. Okay, so this is our example or sample graph for today, which we are going to use for our use case. So this is Ronaldo played for Portugal, and Real Madrid. This is Messi played for Argentina, and Maradona also played for Argentina. So this is our sample graph, and we'll be using our like Cypher and Python codes on top of this graph. So first thing is that with where clause and with expression. Let's see how it looks. So first thing first, we'll see whether our graph is already created or not. Well, we have our graph created. Okay, so we'll see now. So match n array, I think it is person. Okay, name equals to Messi, then return, and then this thing like A B. Now the where clause, B's team. Actually I mean this is actually team. Okay, team, and what we are going to see like D dot name. Okay, so this is the pattern, this is where clause, and this is expression. Let's see as result. See, only Argentina came. So if you change it to Ronaldo, so there will be two teams. See, Real Madrid and Portugal. So interesting fact. So this is pattern, node and A and B is connected, where B is actually team and B dot name is the condition or expression. Sorry, this is condition, this is expression. So where clause with expression, and result will be this. Okay, next thing is that without where clause but with expression. Simple thing, we remove this part. It will come nicely, but here actually if you are not having like we are having only one type of like node. Let's see, here we are actually only having one type of nodes team. So if you are having multiple types of nodes, then also it will work. So okay, and let's see the condition and now the result. So I'm just copy pasting it in the PPT just because for you guys, so that it will be easier for all of you in the future as well. Okay, and the last thing is that without where clause, without expression. So remove this part as well. Well, now the funny thing is that, okay, so there is nothing available over here, so you need to have something, cause that B is not present, right? So you need to have that thing. B is not defined. Okay, so for that you must have a where clause. So now you understand why this statement is invalid. Now the next thing is that okay, see, a property map relationship pattern. So the thing is that now you understand, like, this is valid here, okay, but why this is not valid for this thing? Okay, this is the pattern. You need to define something, or else this is not going to return anything. So we can have this like comprehension without where clause, but not without this clause. So if you keep this like this, it is not going to return anything. But again, if you have this like see again, so you have to have something at the expression level, so either like this or this. So if you put like this, is going to return nothing. So you have to mention what you are actually looking for. B dot name. Why this is not returning anything? Like, there is nothing called name. Okay, so see, now this is returning this two thing. Okay, see, and if you do not mention anything, let's say, okay, and it will return all three things. See, so this is how it is. So here without where clause, but expression must be present. Okay, so this is actually invalid. You cannot have this thing without expression. Okay, so that is what I was trying to explain you guys, but again, if I do it like that way from the slide, it doesn't make any sense. So that is why I did it in this way. So there is one more clause like this, and result will be this thing. All teams, all three teams. Okay, so there are two types of thing available now, like without where clause but with expression, with where clause. So I think this is kind of a very tricky for you guys, so I'll highly recommend you guys to try to do some sort of practice. If you are having some sort of difficulties, trouble, you can reach me out, and also you can refer to the Cypher original or official manual or guide. So now the next thing is that we'll try to do the same thing from Python. It will be also kind of a tricky, but again, this is our job, we need to do it. So well, so let's see. See, all teams returned. Okay, So this is without where clause but with expression. Now without where clause, there are only two things, with where clause, with expression, and here we'll use the other thing which was from here, with where clause, and okay. Okay, let's try to do this thing from here. Okay, and we'll do it Q2. Okay, Real Madrid and Portugal, these two came. So it's quite simple, quite straightforward, but again, if you know the concept, if you are clear about your concept about pattern, what is list and what is pattern, what is path, then only it will be easier for you guys, or else it will be kind of difficult. You have to know what is pattern, what is clause, and what is the condition. Okay, so if you're only following the Python, or if you're only following the Cypher, that doesn't make any sense. If you're actually watching my tutorial, but if you're watching some other tutorial, then it is absolutely fine. But if you're watching my tutorial or following my tutorial, then you have to be clear on your concept with Python and as well as Cypher. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and please subscribe to our channel. Let me know if you have some sort of feedback, comment, or recommendation, how you are finding our videos, if whether it is actually making any sense or you want something differently. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.